Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Log into Appleid. Apple. Com and verify the email, password, and trusted devices. Once done, make sure the payment method and billing address match the App Store region. Mismatches block downloads. Next, update your device to the latest OS to avoid compatibility restrictions. Finally, sign out of the App Store and sign back in with the same Apple ID. This refreshes tokens and often resolves authentication hiccups immediately. Now tackle deeper account issues. Check for unpaid balances or failed subscriptions in billing because outstanding charges prevent downloads. If family sharing is active, confirm purchase sharing settings. They can block purchases tied to another organizer. Next, reset security. Re-enable two-factor authentication, confirm a working recovery email, and update trusted phone numbers so verification codes arrive. If app purchases still fail, generate a new app-specific password or contact Apple support with your transaction ID for targeted help. Finish by clearing the App Store cache. Tap any bottom tab 10 times, then restart your device. This often heals stuck states. If that doesn't work, remove the Apple ID from settings and re-add it to force a full sync of account records and entitlements. Make sure purchases and receipts match your Apple ID after re-adding. If errors continue, capture the exact error code and contact Apple support with device logs. That specific information speeds diagnosis and restores full.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.